In this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft OneNote error code 0xE000002E on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first and initial workaround is clear your Microsoft OneNote caches. To do so, open File Explorer by pressing Win+E shortcut key. Here go to C drive. Here go to Users folder. Open it. Here go to your users name folder. Open it. Here open app data. If you don't find app data here, then go to top menu bar and choose view hidden folders. Here open local. Here scroll down and you will find the folder named Microsoft. Open Microsoft folder. Here scroll down and you will find OneNote folder. Open OneNote. Open it. Here open folder naming 16.0 and here open caches folder. Press Ctrl+A shortcut key to select all these contents of this folder and click on delete. This action will clear all your Microsoft OneNote caches from your system. After that, close the windows and check whether your Microsoft OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search and type OneNote. Open OneNote app. And here from the top menu bar, go, we will find your profile icon. Click on it and sign out from your OneNote app. And after sometimes again sign in with your Microsoft OneNote app. So sign out and sign in with your Microsoft OneNote app. The next workaround is go to Windows search and type OneNote. Open it. Here from the top menu bar, go to files. Here you will find the option view sync status. Click on it. A new window will open. Here, how should we sync your notebooks? First, try sync manually and choose sync all. You may proceed with sync automatically whenever these are changes and choose sync all. And check whether your Microsoft OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes on the same page. Again, go to files from the top menu bar. And here, go to more. We will update Microsoft OneNote. So go to File and hover the cursor on More and choose Account. Click on it. Here from the right side, you will find Update options. Click on a small arrow against Update options. And from the drop-down menu, choose Update Now. And let the window complete the updating process. It will checking for updates and a message you will receive, you are up to date. And check whether Microsoft OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes on the same Microsoft OneNote app. Go to File from the top menu bar. And here go to More. Go back. From the top menu bar, you will find the option History. Go to History. Click on it. And click on a small arrow against Notebook Recycle Bin. Click on it, click on a small arrow and choose Empty Recycle Bin. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all items in deleted notes? Click on Delete and check whether OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Control Panel in your system. Repair your Microsoft OneNote app. To repair Microsoft OneNote app, open Control Panel in your system. And here under Available List, go to Program and Features. Here look for Microsoft OneNote app. Scroll down and select Microsoft OneNote and click on Change from the top menu bar. And finally, you will find a page. How do you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Click on Quick Repair and finally click on Repair. And follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing process of your Microsoft Office. And after that, restart your system. Your Microsoft OneNote error code definitely be resolved.